Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alib Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is 5 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 5. So student, in this video I will tell you without calculator how to simplify this type of algebraic expression. So my dear student, our algebraic expression is 5 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 5. So student, to simplify this type of exponential form, so first of all we have to break the power of 5. Okay student, so again we have to write 5 and in the place of 6 we have to write in here 5 plus 1. Okay student, into again we have to write 4 to the power 5. Okay student. So student, after that, to simplify these exponential forms, we have to apply the formula a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. So this formula we have to apply on this exponential form. Okay student. So after apply this formula on exponential form, then you get from this exponential form 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 1 into again we have to write 4 to the power 5. Okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to arrange this term. Okay. So we have to write in here 5 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5 into, in last position we have to write in here 5 to the power 1, that means 5. Okay. So my dear student, after that, so student, to simplify 5 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5, so we have to apply this formula. A to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. Okay. So here is 5 and 4. Base are different but power is same. So after apply this formula on this algebraic expression, so we have to write in here 5 into 4 whole to the power 5 into again we have to write 5. Okay student. So my dear student, after that, if you multiply 4 with 5, then you get 20 and again we have to write 5 in the place of power into 5. So student, after that, my dear student, to simplify this exponential form, so we have to write in here, so we have to write in the place of 20 2 into 10. Okay student, whole to the power 5 into again we have to write 5. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again we have to apply this formula on this exponential form. Okay. So after apply this formula on this exponential form, so we can write from this exponential form 2 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. Again we have to write 5. So student, after that we have to arrange these terms. So we have to write in here 2 to the power 5 into 5 into, in last position we have to write 10 to the power 5. Okay student. So student, after that 2 to the power 5, that means if you multiply 5 times 2, then you get 32. Okay student, into 5 into, we have to write in here 10 to the power 5, that means 10 into 10, 5 times we have to multiply 10. Okay. So my dear student, if you multiply 32 with 5, then you get 160. Into, if you multiply 5 times 10, then you get 1. After 1 we have to write 5 times 0. Okay. So after that we have to multiply 1 lakh with 160, then you get 16 and 6 times we have to take 0. Okay student. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, to get more videos, so please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.